Hi, good evening. I'm teacher Halcaru. I'm from Colombia, and tonight I would like to share three things. The first one is that I'm in the middle of the night and also in the middle of the nature, and it is why I'm breathing cleaner, cooler, and better air. This air has more oxygen and less carbon dioxide. Second, I'm surrounded by many fruit trees such as orange, avocado, and lemon trees. And finally, you can see several lights on the hills or mountains. And we didn't have those lights before 2020, but after the pandemic or the coronavirus, many people came to the rural areas. They moved from the cities and they bought several farms, and it is why we have those lights, because they had been building some houses. And what you can listen to right now is the singing of many cicadas. They are singing during the whole night. So it is all for tonight. Thank you for watching and goodbye.